The scent of your home isn't just a background detail. It can say a lot about you and significantly affect how much you enjoy your space. In fact, a good-smelling home can enhance your mood, making you feel happier, more relaxed, and inspired. On the other hand, if your house smells like stale air, or worse, it's hardly gonna lift your spirits. Here are some natural strategies to achieve a pleasantly scented home fast and easy. Number 1. Eliminate bad odors with activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is excellent for neutralizing unpleasant smells. You can find it at most grocery stores and natural food stores. To use, place some activated charcoal in a small container with holes poked in the lid or wrapped in cheesecloth. It's incredibly effective at absorbing odors and preventing them from lingering in your air. Place these near litter boxes, trash cans, diaper pails, or anywhere prone to nasty smells. Just remember to replace the charcoal every few months to keep things fresh. Number 2. Add essential oils to your air filter. Your air filter is a vital component of your HVAC system, trapping dust and other particles before they circulate through your home. A dirty filter can exacerbate household odors by recirculating dust and debris every time your system kicks on. To keep your home smelling fresh, it's crucial to change your air filter regularly. For an extra burst of freshness, try adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the filter each time you replace it. This simple trick will disperse a delightful scent throughout your home every time the air runs. Number 3. Combat pet smells with tea tree oil. Pet odors are a common challenge for pet owners, especially when accidents happen on carpets. Even with prompt cleanup, odors can linger. Tea tree oil, known for its natural antibacterial and disinfectant properties, is an excellent solution for eliminating persistent pet smells. To refresh your carpets, mix 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 15 drops of tea tree essential oil in a spray bottle. Spray the mixture onto the carpet, let it dry, and then vacuum thoroughly. This not only removes odors, but also leaves your carpet smelling fresh and clean. Number 4. Keep an open box of baking soda in your fridge. Odors in the fridge can be stubborn and unpleasant. Regular cleaning helps, but for continuous freshness, place an open box of baking soda on one of the shelves. It's a simple and effective way to absorb unwanted smells. Remember to replace the baking soda every 6 months to maintain its odor-absorbing effectiveness. Number 5. Make your own air freshener spray. Commercial air fresheners often contain chemicals that can be harmful to your health. For a natural and budget-friendly alternative, make your own air freshener at home. Simply mix 1 cup of water, half a cup of witch hazel, and 10 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil in a spray bottle. Shake well before each use. This DIY spray is not only safe and effective, but also allows you to personalize the scent to suit your preferences. Number 6. Freshen your carpet with baking soda. Carpets can trap odors and moisture, making it essential to keep them fresh between deep cleanings. Baking soda is a simple, affordable, and effective way to do this. First, vacuum your carpet thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Then generously sprinkle baking soda across the surface and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Finally, vacuum again to remove the baking soda, leaving your carpet refreshed and odor-free. Number 7. Tuck scented sachets into drawers and closets. To naturally enhance the aroma of your home, place scented sachets in your drawers and closets. These sachets can be filled with dried herbs, ground spices, or citrus peels, and are typically made from breathable materials like linen or muslin. As the fabric absorbs and then slowly releases moisture, it emits a delightful fragrance. You can craft your own or find ready-made sachets at stores like Target or Walmart. Place one in each storage space for consistently pleasant scent. Number 8. Make your own fabric spray. Commercial fabric sprays may smell nice, but they often contain harmful chemicals. For a safer alternative, make your own natural fabric spray by mixing 15 drops of an essential oil like lavender with 1 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of witch hazel in a spray bottle. Shake well before each use and lightly spritz on clothes, curtains, or other fabrics that need a refresh. Number 9. Put a few drops of essential oil inside your toilet paper roll. An easy and effective trick to keeping your bathroom smelling fresh is to add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the inside edge of the cardboard tube of your toilet roll. This subtle fragrance release will help freshen up the space continuously, making it more welcoming for both guests and family members. Number 10. Simmer your favorite spices and herbs on the stovetop. For a quick and delightful way to freshen up your home, try simmering spices and herbs. This method is simple, natural, and budget-friendly. Great choices include cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and citrus peels. Just add your selected ingredients to a pot of water, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for an hour. The lovely aromas will fill your home and linger long after the stove is turned off. Number 11. Get rid of musty towel smells. Battling with a musty towel odor? There's an easy fix that doesn't involve buying new towels. Soak your towels overnight in hot water mixed with a cup or 2 of white vinegar. The next day, wash them as usual. This simple trick effectively eliminates that damp, moldy smell, leaving your towels fresh and pleasant. Number 12, refresh your fireplace. Love the warmth of a fire, but not the smoky smell? Add a few dried lemon or orange peels to the flames. The citrus will not only help mask the smoky aroma, but will also infuse your room with a delightful fruity scent, enhancing the cozy atmosphere of your fireplace. Number 13, fill your home with air-purifying houseplants. Decorate your space with air-purifying houseplants like spider plants or snake plants. These aren't just visually appealing, they also help cleanse the air by absorbing pollutants. Having these plants around your home not only makes it more inviting, but healthier too. Number 14, crack open the windows. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Fresh air can significantly improve the smell of your home, so make it a habit to open your windows every day for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Don't worry if it's chilly outside, the key is to create cross-ventilation. Open windows on opposite sides of your home to allow the air to flow freely through each room. This not only refreshes your space, but also helps to dispel any stale or musty odors. If you found these insights helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and spread the word. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. Subscribe to discover empowering and cost-effective home and health wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.